going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing a new Nike and CPFM Air Flea 2. Let's get into it.
You need some gas on.
First, you're going to start with this box. It's nice, like a baby blue box. It's all baby blue with a Nike on top. You got your Nike on this side, same on this side. And as you can see in the font, it's the CPFM font that they have mostly on all their collaborations. Then in the front right here, we had this little yin and yang sign right here. On the front, on the sides, you got your Air Flea 2 with that Nike shit right there in the orange. Then you got another yin yang sign. But then we get into the back to the front of the box and it reads Nike CPFM Air Flea 2, and the colorway is black and alabaster. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, alright, we got this nice tissue paper that's like a baby blue and white tissue paper. Kind of give you that cloud effect. Has CPFM written all throughout the tissue paper, Nike Air. And then on the inside, you just got the normal plain white tissue paper that we get with pretty much every Nike shoe. Then on the side right here, we still have that stamp of approval on the inside of the box also. That's pretty much it for the box. But we did get one more thing that did come in the box. It did come with this nice little bag right here that says Nike Air Flea 2. Now you didn't see that on plenty of the reviews, but you got your Nike Air Flea 2. Then you got the yin yang signs of Nike. And then you got your Just Do It on this nice, like a terry cloth bag, which is very nice and clean. I like it. It's big and deep enough for these big shoes we finna talk about. But other than that, let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of the shoe of this video, and that is the Nike Air CPFM Air Flea 2. Oh man, here we go. Man, I can say these are thickly big. They are very, very wide and bulky. But the weight is very lightweight, not as heavy as I thought they would be just by looking at the pictures. Overall, looking at the shoe, it's different. If you like different, then of course you went for these. Me, I like different. I definitely want to see mainly how they looked in hand, because before on the pictures, I ain't gonna lie, I was like, no, I'm definitely not going for those. Those are horrible. But then I thought to myself, if I could wear the Yeezy 450, then I definitely could wear these. So went ahead and went for them, was able to cop them. This is the black pair. They did have a spruce pair. I actually hit on both pairs, but I decided to just go with the black, just because I wasn't really sure if I was gonna actually like the shoe or not. Glad I got the black because it seemed like it's more wearable in my opinion, but overall, it's different. That's all I can say, it's different. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. Like I said, you got this nice bulky shoe that has like looks like a tire on the bottom. That's the main thing that catches you when you look at it. This big thickness of this tire-like waffle type material going throughout the midsole of the shoe. To me, that's just the whole point, the main focal point of the shoe. Maybe if that was just a little bit not as thick, just a little bit thinner, it would have been just like the perfect shoe to wear around. But I know plenty of people love how they look anyways, but in my opinion, I just probably would have made this just a tad bit unthicker, if that's even a word, but you know what I mean. But overall, we still got this little Nike check right here, removable Nike Swoosh. It's on the side. You can take it off. As you see, it's like a cream color, nice little thick little Nike Swoosh. You got the little prongs in the back for the clips that you can hook back on the shoe. You know this shoe comes with two straps. You got these two black straps right here on the front of the shoe, and it still has those little prongs where you can snap your Nike check into. Going to the side, still the same. Pretty much just prongs everywhere. Little pings everywhere around the shoe where you can stick your Nike check or these little pog things that they sent with the shoe. Also, it's like a yin and yang, a Nike check. It look like some little spiders. You can clip them on the shoe. Also in those different spots where these little pieces are if you like. That's different. Nobody, that's out of the box thinking right there. Then we got, they came with this little tag. They got your Nike CPFM right here on the tag. Right here is like a little hang tag. Inside of the shoe, you got your R, because each one has this letter R with that little radioactive flow that's on the footbed of the shoe. Back of the heel of the shoe, you got your Nike Fleet 2 on this like a pull tab right here. Nike Fleet 2 on that one, and this one right here just says Nike Air. I know on the Spruce pair, both of their back little clips are two different colors, but with the black pair, they just gave us both black with the black and white and the white stitching of the shoe. Coming back to the front to the tongue, you got Air. It just say Fleet 2 right here on top of the tongue with that Nike check and then that yin yang symbol on the top. You got this little tab right here on the shoe also. I guess it helps you with adjusting the shoe. And then like I said, we got these straps right here on the front that's just, I mean, they're right there. It's different. I guess it's just gonna hold your foot down. I mean, these, after what I did actually put them on, like I said, they're not as heavy as you think by just looking at them. So when you do strap them on, they are actually very comfortable. It's actually a very comfortable shoe. Put them on, I was actually surprised about that, but still it was very comfortable. But it's the bulk. That's the only thing that got me. It's the bulk. I know some people might be able to pull out some fits with this. I don't know if I can be able to pull out a fit with this. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like I said, I wanted to get the shoe in hand just to see how it looked in person. And just that bulkiness is the only thing that really throws me off. Other than that, the shoe is actually not bad. I mean, it reminds me of a shoe of somebody that's a biker, that you like to go cycling. Those little cycle shoes that you put on to go on ride like long distances and stuff. This would just remind me of these straps right here in the front, but it's different, y'all. We're in 2023, 2024. I mean, it's a new millennium. We're getting into these new things. Bottom of the shoe, you got like this little footprint right here on the bottom of the shoe. This does glow in the dark. I will definitely show you that at the end of the video, so stay tuned to the end of the video. Glows in the dark. Then you still have that all waffle material, rubber tire, whatever you want to call it, on the bottom of the shoe also. But overall, I mean, like I said, it's just not bad. It's just bulky. So if you like a bulky shoe, then you should be good to go. I shouldn't be complaining because I like 9060s. We all know those are very bulky, but these just a tad bit more bulkier than those. But overall, it's clean. It ain't bad. Like I said, it's different. And if you a different person and you like for somebody to look at your foot when you walking out, these are definitely the ones to pull out, because they definitely will be looking, trying to figure out what is that on your foot. But overall, still different and clean. Like I said, not a bad shoe. You can put your Nike check on however you want, just snap it in and you should be good to go. I have heard that they do come off easily, and as I'm trying to put it back on, I can see that they are not all like easily adjusted. So it's like, it's different. You got to try to remove it, a Nike check just a tad bit to get it on there. But overall, y'all, it's not horrible. I mean, I know a lot of people just saying this is just a bad shoe, but it's really not that bad. It's just this rubber part on the bottom, like I said, for me, that gets me. But overall, it's all right, my opinion. But this was the left-right shoe. Left shoe looks the same as that way. Got your Nike check, it has came off. One thing I did notice that these do pop off very easily. So when you're walking around, if you happen to hit something, it's gonna fall off. So be prepared to keep putting these on throughout the day if you make a mistake and hit your foot on something, because it's definitely gonna come off. But they made it to each his own. If you like it, hey, I love it. Then you see, like I said, this is shoe again. You got your all rubber midsole, bulky midsole, very bulky shoe. Another thing is these straps right here. And then I see behind this strap right here, you can see that Nike check right there on the side of this strap right here. Is it on the other side? No, it's not on the other side. But I mean, that's pretty much it. You either strap your feet in and you're good to go. But sizing wise, I know that been a big issue with these. I want true to size, because I'm not the person to go and listen to everybody about telling me what size I should get in my shoe. I feel as though if I always go to my true to size, I can't go wrong. So definitely went true to size on these, and I'm glad I did, because I didn't go wrong. They fit me just fine. I even could have probably went down a half a size if I really wanted them for a very snug fit. But overall, true to size on these, and you should be good to go. So don't listen to nobody else saying 2 full sizes down, 2 full sizes up. No. True to size, and you are good to go in these. But overall, y'all, it's not a bad shoe. I mean, it's just different. If you like different and you like thinking outside the box, these are definitely the ones for you. Inside this shoe, yeah, you got the L for the left shoe, and you still got that nice radioactive material. I mean, radioactive like color on the bottom of the footbed of the shoe. But like I said, it's not a bad shoe. I'm gonna pull that one out for y'all so you can see it. But not horrible. Different colors. I love the little colors. I just love the details. That's the main thing I like about the shoe. All the details they put into it. You can tell that she really put all her imaginary, everything she's thinking, it goes into her products, and we can see it as in from the Fleet 1, the other CPF films. I got the CPF film, what were those? The Air Max CPF films. I love those, still have those. And I didn't get those ones that had all that green stuff going all on them with all the hair. Skipped out on those, but definitely went for these just to see how they look. I know it was another CPF film one that really never came out, so I did actually like those also. But we got these, and it's not horrible. But y'all let me know down in the comment below. What do y'all think about these? Did you go for them or did you pass on them? I think they came out October 18th, if I'm not mistaken. Retail for $220, which is kind of steep, but you gotta think it's a collaboration in the CPF film. Everything with them is going to be a pretty steady, steep price, so not bad. Y'all let me know what y'all think about these. Did you go for them or did you pass on them? Like I said, I got mine off the CPF film site, and it just came in like the other day, so it was about a week and a half shipping, which I guess is not too bad. But I know everybody that copped theirs on the Nike site got theirs really quicker than we did, and we paid higher shipping. So overall, that's my only complaint, but put that Nike check on them and they're not horrible. So y'all just let me know what y'all thinking. The Nike and CPF Air Flea 2. Let me know down in the comment below what y'all think about these. Did you cop them or did you pass on them? Let me know if I'm crazy for copping them. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at sneakermom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot and that glow of the dark. And that's all I got for y'all. So until the next time, it's your girl, Sneaker Mom. Peace.
You need some gas.